Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Please also hit the like button and leave a comment below. Here watch Uzalo Gabisile's traditional wedding and umembeso that happened at Umlazi KwaZulu Natal. Gabisile, we know her from Uzalo that plays on SABC 1 weekdays at 8:30. Her real name is Gabisile. She actually tied a knot traditional way. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time. Love you.
Manje sengiyazi lokuthi mawuphaka uphaka kanjani ngalo bhaskidi ngeke ngibale kakhulu ngite khona ngiyazithanda ongqamnqe lezimnandi chocolate konke kula ngithi ngiyabonga ngokungizalela ilast born yathabo maluka nokuthi nibakhulise kahle bonke umuntu wesifazane bayamazi ukuthi utrithwa kanjani. Ngiyabonga.
Buka kusonke bani.
Zibuya ngomqondo yikho sambisa i-kist ibhokisi symbolizer ibhokisi lethu ukuthi ubuye ekhaya kuloko baba sesingamane sibona.
We are going to go straight to the proposal of the toast, which we